Kiumia kimwe tu thutha wa ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri thiini wa thi WHO kuhitukia uhuthiri wa njanjo ya murimu wa malaria, umuthi bururi wa Kenya niuruguririe mihango ya uheyani wa njanjo ino kaunti-ini iria ihutitio na gikiro kinene. Ona ministry ya ugima wa mwiri kiruguragia njanjo ino, bururi wa Kenya urari umwe wa mabururi maria njanjo ino irageragerio kuria kaunti 8 nicio irathecanaga njanjo ino.
We did integrate the malaria vaccine within the immunization program, so it leveraged on the existing systems. We do use a network of 600 health facilities across the implementing counties, and they are public, private, and we give the vaccine free of charge.
This has been embedded within the existing framework, as the previous speaker talked about integration, so that we can be able to reduce the cost of service provision, but also deliver the services efficiently.
Kuringana na Murugamiriri munene wa ugima wa mwiri ndagitari Patrick Amoth, augite aciari kuma kaunti-ini ici 8 ni makoretwo mahimbiire uheyani wa njanjo ino kuona nyota yayo no ironekana nginyagia kaunti-ini iria itambiririe kumiamukira.
In regions where the vaccine is currently available to children, it has provided valuable additional protection as part of a larger package of recommended malaria tools. Importantly, the malaria vaccine has been particularly valuable in reaching children whose families may not have access to other interventions, such as insecticide-treated bed nets.
Aikari kuma kaunti-ini cia Nyanza, Western na Gicũa-ini ni moritio gutigirira ni megitira kumana na kunyitwo ni murimu uyu na njira iria ciendekithitio ni ministry ya ugima wa mwiri.
They need to take up the malaria prevention and treatment interventions available. It is one thing to distribute a net, it is another thing for that net to be used. It is one thing to recommend people once they feel sick, they should go to a facility, get diagnosed and treated, while we still know a big population of people when they fall sick, they walk into a pharmacy and request for treatment without diagnosis.
Guku bururi-ini murimu wa malaria niguo tongoretie hari mirimu iria icungagiriria nda kuma undumwe na ikuo iria ciumanaga na mutumia akiheo mwana.
We have also focused on preventing malaria during pregnancy because of the complications that occur when you have malaria in pregnancy, including preterm birth, low birth weight babies, stillbirths, and of course the high risk of maternal mortality, especially if pregnant women get severe or complicated malaria. And the use of sulfadoxine pyrimethamine combination monthly from the first trimester has also made us accrue dividends or gains in the fight of malaria, especially in pregnancy.
Njanjo ino iraheanwo maita mana, mwana ari wa ukuru wa mieri 6, mieri 7, mieri 9 na ukuru wa miaka 2, kuria gukinyaniria na riu njanjo 500,000 ni ithecanitwo guku bururi-ini, na hari namba ino ciana 250 nicio ciamukirite njanjo ya mbere.
That is the national malaria program.
Giribotera Kameme TV, Rutoroko ni Wanjiru wa Foro.